Okay, so this is the first video for hopefully no more than 3 videos for section 1.8, and these are your notes for Friday, which would be 9/20/2013, and okay. And so what this section deals with is composite functions. And so just in terms of the fill in the blanks, often we build new functions out of existing functions. So let's say f and g, let's call those our existing functions. And from this we can define 4 new functions. Okay. And so one of the functions looks like f plus g, another one f minus g, then f times g, and then f over g. And so this is how it works. For the f plus g, now let's have some input x. This is equal to f of x plus g of x. The f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So you might see it both ways in your book, but this means the same thing. Continuing on, we have, and on the note over here, the domains of these new functions are the intersections of the domains of f and g. However, whenever we talk about f over g, so when we talk about this is a rational expression, rational function, we have to throw out all the inputs that make g of x equal to 0, because remember, we can't have the denominator equal to 0. Okay? Now continuing on, we have, fg of x. That's the same thing as saying f of x times g of x. And then we have f over g of x, which equals f of x over g of x. Okay. And so find the following domain for example 1. We have f of x equals 5x plus 6 and g of x equals 2x minus 1. So we're going to find the following and the domains for each of these different types of expressions. We're going to do a together. So for a, which would be, I want to have some room, f plus g of x. Remember, that's the same thing as saying f of x plus g of x. So what this is saying is 5x plus 6, which is our f of x, plus, and although it doesn't matter in this example, I'm going to put parentheses around the g of x, because when you start doing subtraction and stuff like that, it will make a difference. And so this equals 5x plus, I'm going to put the like terms together, plus 2x plus 6 minus 1, and so the final answer would be 7x plus 5. Okay, so what I want you to do now is finish B, C, and D, and that's going to be part of your video quiz for this week. Now, we're going to stop here, so you guys have to finish B, C, and D in example 1. Okay, so that's your assignment for this video. Now I'm going to create the others.